Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do this look, the mermaid look. Now, if you watch my previous video, this is not the hairstyle from the photo shoot, but this is the hairstyle that I had for the event that I went to. And it's just a classic vintage updo that is so gorgeous. You can use this hairstyle for anything really if you want to look elegant. Well, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. For the hairstyle, you ideally want to do it the night before your event, but just because I'm making it for the video, I'm doing it the same day. So that means for me that the curls will not last as long. If I want the curls to last longer, I have to put them in the night before, sleep in the curls. And if you're sleeping in the curls, then I suggest you have a scarf and tie it up. I suggest you have the bow where you make the knot in front, because that makes it more comfortable when you're sleeping, no matter what position. How I like to do it is I have it completely straight down the middle in the back, and then because I like to curl it backwards on each side so that it creates that nice waterfall in the back. So don't worry about parting in the front for as of now, because we're going to start with the lower layers. So, and make sure you have like a lot of bobby pins. You're gonna need a lot. So if you have thin hair, you're not gonna need that many, but if you have thick hair like mine and long hair and heavy hair like mine, then a lot of bobby pin is needed. Normally I use 2 bobby pins per curl, but sometimes I need 3 or 4 just because it's that heavy. So how I like to do it is right by my temple, and then I just pull my hair back and create a line. That's my lowest layer. And yeah, I'm growing out my bangs, so ignore them. So I'm gonna be using a curling wand, which is gonna be the easiest for this. It looks like this. It's an Amica Tourmaline curler. I think this is either the smallest size or the medium size. I bought it so many years ago, I don't remember. And make sure you don't take too big of a sections at a time, because it's gonna make it harder to curl the hair and it's gonna be more difficult to pin the curl to your head. Now when you take the curl off the wand, you keep the curl in your hand. The curl is going to be hard, so that's why the glove is very necessary. It's so you don't burn yourself on the curling iron or your curl. You just keep it, hold it in place, and you get bobby pins, and then it doesn't matter what bobby pin you use, and then you just pin it in place. Normally use a cross formation. So all you do is take the section and put the one behind the hair, wrap it backwards, and so this is what it looks like. I prefer to pin up before I pin down to make sure I get all the curls to stay up, and then to pin down is just to secure everything in its place. So what we want is the top of our head to be, so basically from eyebrow arch to eyebrow arch, that's what we want, and towards the crown of our head. We want that up and away so that we can work on the next layer. All I did is a diagonal from the arch of my eyebrow to the top of my crown, just a diagonal. That's all I did. And then everything is pinned in place. All you have to do is use hairspray to secure it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Lion's Professional Hairspray Ultra Strong Hold 24-hour for all hair types. It's number 4 and it's vegan, so this is what it looks like. And now I just let it sit while I do my makeup, and then I will take it out afterwards and style it, and then you will see the finished results. Then it's off to the hair, and I like to put in extra hairspray just before I take it out. Because I want to make sure it holds. It just needs to dry a little. just check your scalp if there's any bobby pins left. Check your hair, and if it's not, great. Now if you want the curls to last throughout the whole day, don't brush it with a brush, but brush it with your fingers. I just need it to look like this right now, so I used a brush. Now you actually want this kind of volume in the front. And for this side, I usually just clip it back. So for now, that will be bobby pins, but I want the ones that will complement my hair. Normally, if you want, you can clip it back using a glittery, sparkly something, but I don't have that. So, well, I don't have something that is lightweight. So I will just use bobby pins for now, and then so you just clip it back like this and then pull some hair over it. You don't want to pull hair over it if you're using a sparkly glittery thing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you want more content like this, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!